And we can see straight away at the top now, it's telling me 800 free channels are now available, including live news, movies, shows, and more. All of them are now included without any subscription. That's now all available for me. So there's a big update being pushed to Android TV devices like my Nvidia Shield, where you'll now start seeing free live TV channels directly on the home screen. Now, some of you may already have this update, the live channels at the top where you have a dedicated live menu, but we can see on my device, I don't have that. So how can I get it? Well, as long as you have a USA IP address on your device, and we can see on my device, I do. All I need to do now then is just go over to the settings, click on that, go to where it says applications, scroll down, and where it says see all apps, we're going to find the Android TV home. So keep scrolling down until you see system apps. Let's click on that. And this is the one we're looking for. So Android TV home, I'm going to click on that and select force stop. And this will basically terminate the home launcher, the home screen. We can see in the background that's now been terminated. So I'm hoping now when I press the home button, the device will detect that I actually have a USA IP address and then show me the USA home screen instead. So let's see if that works first time. So here we can see me pressing the home button. Let's do that now. And we can see straight away at the top now, it's telling me 800 free channels are now available, including live news, movies, shows, and more. All of them are now included without any subscription. That's now all available for me. Let's open that up. Let's click on see what's on. And here we have it, guys. So we now have access to lots of built-in channels. You have different movie content, you have popular channels, you have sports content. Here, for example, we have, for a quick test, Most Haunted. Let's click on that. And in a couple of seconds, my Nvidia Shield takes me straight to that live channel, and that's working straight away. Let's go back. And you can see now with the fully working program guide, I can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. Now, depending on your region, whereabouts you are, it will dictate how many channels you can see. So me using an IP address from Boston is determined I can see this much, but in other parts of the world, other parts of USA, you will see a different number of channels, and a total of 800 channels are available. Here, for example, we can see Linda's Kitchen. Let's click on that, just to show you that it's not just one channel or one show, one episode, and that's working straight away. And what a superb HD picture. Okay, let's back out of that. So all of that's in the Google TV channels. Then you can see here from other applications, you've got other channels available. So here we can see some popular news channels, forensic files, mystery channels, Star Trek. We have to try Star Trek. So let's click on that. So all of that content is now being aggregated directly on my Nvidia Shield, and using that fully working program guide, I can now access all of this great content. And there's good old Spock. All right, let's press back. Then we have channels for the holiday season. We have channels for movies, news and opinion, crime, hit TV shows. Here you got Voyager, you got CSI, you got Nashville, you got Walking Dead, some very, very popular content, Farscape. Then you got classic TV, reality. You got 58 sports channels. I know lots of you are interested in sports, so let's just try one of these. So this, for example, should be Real Madrid. Let's watch some football, or soccer as our American friends say. In a couple of seconds, we are taken straight into that broadcast. I'm now watching some high definition Real Madrid. That's looking good. Is that a goal? That is a goal. What a great goal. That's working great. Okay, so let's press back. So you've got multiple sports channels, game shows, comedy, entertainment, home and design, food, nature and travel, lifestyle, lots and lots of 52 music channels, 117 Spanish channels, 50 channels for international, and then you got 133 local channels. So for the people looking for local content for different states, you can see here lots of different local content. Here, for example, is one last test is News 12, and we're now looking at this news channel. Let's go back. So this is only one aspect. So what they're actually going to do, as you can see in this article here, is they're also going to add a dedicated app for free TV channels. So instead of you pressing home and accessing it through the live tab, as you can see here, Android TVs will start adding this free TV channels application, and you will see that directly on your home screen. And this is going to be a new update that's coming out. It is going to be a phased update. So depending on your device, if you have a Chromecast, Google TV, if you have a NVIDIA Shield, if you have an on streaming box, or all of the different 100 Android TV devices, certain devices will get it first. And here we can see it saying that starting today, over the next few weeks, Android TV devices in US, so in US, or if you have a USA IP address, you'll start seeing this shortcut to the free channels in the favorites app row. And these free channels include everything from your local news to movies to sports, all which are available without any additional downloads, any additional payments or subscriptions. And it says this change applies to devices such as the NVIDIA Shield and older TVs from Hisense, TCL and other brands. So you'll see it here, the free channels application, the free TV application. That's what it looks like. I guess they appreciate that lots of people are looking for official, legal, free content, and having an application or a section on the home screen which will then aggregate all of the free content that's available. Plus, if you have any applications like Tubi TV or Pluto TV, if you can aggregate the channels from the free application, add that fully working program guide, and bring all of that into a single screen, I think lots of people will find that very, very popular. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I do actually have lots more Android TV tips and tricks and tutorials coming up, including, of course, all of the standard Fire Stick ones. So if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed. Do leave me a comment below and let me know if you can see the live tab on your device and if you can now see this new free TV channels application on your home screen. Do leave me a comment below, let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.